Good afternoon. This is Chris Cross with Wowza Media Systems, and I'm here with Ben from Blue Frame Technology. How you doing today?
Doing well, thanks, Chris.
Good. How's the show treating you?
Pretty good, pretty good. It's been pretty busy. This is, historically, we have participated as a startup in this program, and so this is our first year outside of the startup umbrella. And so we're have our big boy booth for the first time this year, and it's going really well.
Outstanding. All right, so tell me what Blue Frame Technology does. Tell me about your business.
Yeah, so Blue Frame is a end-to-end streaming provider. So we do everything from production to ingesting content in the cloud, content management around that, to delivery to all devices, be it desktop, be it mobile, be it TV applications.
Cool. Who are your typical customers?
Our typical client is a college or university, and we're really focusing on connecting people with content they really care about in the niche markets. And so I like to tell people our clients are not typically technology people. They're not typically broadcast people. They're communications people who are charged with creating video content. And so we're really trying to help streamline that process and make it super easy for them to make a quality product.
Cool. What challenges do you find in streaming? Sounds like live sports for the most part.
Sure. Challenges are abundant, and so I think one of the ones that really Wowza is leading the way and helping us solve right now is contribution side network. Okay. And so we have a number of organizations who may not have a highly reliable network at the venue that they happen to be at. Either be a lack of a fixed infrastructure at all, so they're using a cellular network, or an insufficient, based on traditional broadcast standards, a wireless network. And so we're really excited about the movement that Haivision and Wowza have been undertaking in the SRT Alliance, and Blue Frame has become a member of that alliance, and we have been participating in the alliance meetings and such. And so we're pretty excited about the direction that's going and how we're integrating those into our products now.
Cool. So for people that don't understand or maybe haven't heard about SRT, what is SRT and how does it help you?
Sure. SRT is secure, reliable transport, and so at a layman's level, it's really effectively using the bandwidth you already have. So in the situation of the traditional protocol, RTMP, which Wowza has supported for years and Blue Frame has used for years, and still does in a lot of circumstances, it doesn't effectively manage loss of data across a network very well, and SRT promises to improve that significantly.
Cool. So you've got a camera out in a football field or a baseball field and going over cellular, you may have dodgy data, and so SRT allows the image, the video stream to stay much higher quality? Correct,
yeah. And I think, just maintain a continuity of stream and like I said, kind of take advantage of the available network that's there.
Right, got it. So what's a strong differentiator for Blue Frame? What is it that makes you guys successful?
Yeah, like I said, the end-to-end piece of it, the ability to, our model is typically to work with a conference or an association as a whole, and we can provide a world-class, whole digital network platform for those clients at a very, very low rate when we get a conference to participate as a whole. And so usually we'll brand them a conference digital network that will include TV apps on Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, Roku, and Android TV, as well as mobile applications on Android and iOS, and they're white labeled with their brand, and they can highlight their brand and their sponsors as a part of that.
Right. So there's advertising in there, there's brand awareness.
Exactly, and monetization too, right? So we package that all together. So be it pulling in third-party advertising to help them supplement the revenue streams that they have on their broadcast, or pay-per-view, we can handle that as well.
Got it. So what does the future hold? What's the next big thing on the horizon for Blue Frame?
I think increased monetization tools is a big piece of our next step that we kind of see. We have always licensed our technology to these organizations, and they, in large part, they use the platform as a marketing platform for their brands. But being able to help them, and there's just specifically in sports content, there are just natural breaks in the content
Right.
where an advertising message fits really well. But our organizations typically don't have the sales capacity to go fill all that advertising. So if we can help bring third-party markets to the table for our clients, we think that's a huge value add for them.
Cool. All right. Well, appreciate you being here. Appreciate your time, and hope you have a fantastic show.
Thanks for having me.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.